You're going to love the 2007 Nissan Armada. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a roof rack, rear wipers, and air conditioning. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.